Hey Clubbers, so this week we are going to look at how to meal prep when you are using HelloFresh. I know that since each bag comes pre-portioned with all of the ingredients that you need, it's really easy to just go ahead and use each recipe as you get to the day that you're going to use it. But I will say that I found this so extremely helpful with pre-chopping all of my ingredients, making my sauces, and overall keeping me ahead of the game for my week. The way that my week goes, I am so busy during the day with work that in the evening I have to quickly prep dinner and get my workout in because I am on a journey this year to better myself physically, mentally, and spiritually. And so this just keeps everything moving and seamless and allows for me to be ready for my week. I do all of my prep normally on Sunday, and just also another benefit for doing it this way is that the vegetables don't have time to really wither or go bad because I've gone ahead and gotten them ready for the next stage of the cooking. And then I will, as you'll see in the end, add everything back to the bag that it originally came in. And I'll also go ahead and prepare all of the meats as well. You'll be seeing that in this video also. I will thaw all of the meats, add them to Ziploc bags, and then I will add any seasonings that are for that specific meal. This just allows, number one, for the meat to actually marinate and have those flavors really soak in, and two, to have meat ahead of the game. All I have to do is thaw it out and then prep it based off of the instructions on the little meal cards. And I always make sure to season everything with my little standard blend of the Himalayan salt, pepper, and the Italian seasoning mix. I try not to be wasteful as I'm doing my meal prep as well. I use any of the cartons that come in the bags and leave the ingredients in there, and then any of the Ziplocs I can reuse, I do. So for me, the beauty of meal prepping is just cutting away all of the time that it takes to prepare all of the vegetables. And I will say this is the longest part of the process with any of the HelloFresh meals. It's just getting the vegetables ready for cooking or however you're going to use them. But if you go ahead, dedicate one day, it makes it so much smoother. And also, I had help in the kitchen with getting everything ready. My mom was assisting by washing and prepping all the meats. And we made sure to change our gloves in between if anything got on the gloves to make sure we didn't contaminate any of the food that we were working with. And I suggest highly doing this if you guys are doing HelloFresh. And even if you are not using HelloFresh, meal prepping is such a great idea. It really helps save so much time, and it takes the guesswork out of what's for dinner.